Alright guys, hey, we're doing the Badland Industries Supplemental Oil Line. This is just a video showing you what kind of clearances we have in here and what had to be removed to get that oil line in there. Okay, when you get the line, it shows up like this. It is pre-bent for the front and the rear, and they're labeled front and back to make it easy for you. So things we had to remove here, obviously the air intake had to come out. We moved the transmission dipstick, put it back in once the exhaust manifold was out because it started leaking on us. Disconnected the little emissions guy here, got him out of the way to make more room, and of course removed the heat shield off of the exhaust manifold. Can't really see it from here, but down below we disconnected and removed the front drive shaft to give us more room working on those exhaust flange bolts way down at the bottom. Okay, well, just kind of showing you where things are gonna go around here. I don't know if you can see the laser dot or not, but back around there is where the rear port is gonna go. You can't really see the front, it's kind of tucked out of the way, but it shouldn't be too hard to get to. It's kind of hiding behind the pulley right inside of there. You can sort of see it. Hey, not much to it, just a lot of work. Once we get the line installed, we'll do a little video splicing action to jump to it. Alright guys, we're back. We got the supplemental oil line installed. You can see it pretty clearly here. That's the port back there for cylinder number 5. Sneaking around forward, you can kind of see the front of the line right around here. Not too complicated of a process, just kind of a pain in the ass between getting the line mocked up and then putting the exhaust manifold back in there, bending it for clearances and checking. Right around this area towards the back we had to basically bend it straight up. There's a wide portion at the top of the that first cat that we had to avoid, so bent that a little bit different than what we saw in Kevin's video. Okay. Other than that, it's just putting it in, bending things around, checking clearances, double checking clearances, installing the ports, getting those things tightened down, and then reattaching that bent line. I'll give you a shot of what the underneath looks on the front. Okay, right here, this is where it attaches in the front. Pretty easy to get to. The only really clearance issue that we had to work with in here, let me see, try to get you up in there. Okay. Tightest clearances were down here with this emissions can, kind of firing the gap between there and this idler pulley. Just kind of floated in between the two, and then double check once everything was tightened. Not much to it. Okay. Another look from the top. Okay. And we'll be right back once this exhaust manifold's reinstalled. Alright guys, and just like that, we got the exhaust manifold all bolted up, torqued to specs on the top end here, and also down at the flange side. O2 sensors are all connected as well. So with everything tightened down, I'm going to kind of poke the camera in through here and try to get a good look at the clearances around this supplemental oil line. Should be plenty of clearance. Like I said earlier, the issues I was having was way back close to cylinder 5. Looks like there should be plenty of room back there now. Jump down underneath real quick. Okay. From the front side, everything seems to look okay as well. Not too bad. We'll probably just keep an eye on things for the first month or so as things get settled. Okay, well, we're gonna get the rest of this project all buttoned up and move on with other things. See you guys.